Step 1. Record from the same angle with 3 different lights: ambient light, left and right light. Each rotation must be 360 degrees or more, but not less. Make sure the turntable is not stuttering. Record 1. Now recording with ambient light. Record 1. Now recording with right side light. Record 1. Now recording with left side light. You basically recorded the same rotation of the product from the same angle with 3 different lights. You have the same footage with 3 different lights. It does not matter if you record all 3 instances without stopping the camera or if you stop the camera when you switch the lights. Then you change the angles as you please by moving the camera around your product. Just make sure that for each angle, your product will rotate 360 degrees for each light. Record 2. For example, the camera angle will now be changed and, as previously shown, you will rotate your product 360 degrees for each light. Camera about to change. Now recording with ambient light. Now recording with right light. Now recording with left light. Record multiple angles: wide angles, close-ups, macro, overhead, 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second, headshots if applicable. So basically record any point of interest that is relevant for your product. Make sure the product is in focus. The white balance and temperature should be set by you and not on auto mode. The turntable should rotate constantly and not change speed. Make sure to avoid flickering and banding. Check out your footage before recording everything. If you notice a banding effect, adjust the shutter of the camera until the banding stops. Now, more examples of camera angles. You don't need pro equipment for this. You can film with your phone, just place your phone on a steady surface if you don't have a tripod. You can only use the ambiental light if you don't have other sources of light. If you have other sources of light and want to move the light around, first make sure that you will get the main steady footage as shown in this tutorial, and then you can move the lights around while filming as a side quest. And if you will get good results, we can use that footage as well. What you do need is an automatic turntable, because it is very important to obtain that smooth 360 degrees rotation. The rotation must be smooth. If you don't have an automatic turntable, Google do-it-yourself turntable or DIY turntable or other relevant keywords so you can see how you can create a smooth rotation without this table. But don't rotate the table or the product by hand because you will not obtain a smooth rotation.